Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today in a shop 2006 Honda Civic, and I would love to show you how easy it is to check your automatic transmission fluid. And these are the steps you need to take to make sure that the measurement will be correct. So first of all, it's highly recommended that the engine and transmission are at the operating temperature. So ideally you will perform this after you've driven this vehicle. After that you will park it on the perfectly leveled surface and you will turn your engine off. And I prepared this light for you here so you can see how perfectly easy accessible is that automatic transmission fluid dipstick. Do you see that yellow handle? This is actually where dipstick is. And the next step is grabbing that yellow handle of the dipstick and carefully pulling it out. Here you can see how long it is, right? This one is pretty short. And what you will do, you will nicely wipe it dry. Once again, the detail of that handle and so on, right? You will wipe it dry and reinsert it all the way in, right? Boom, and now you pull it and you can see the level of the fluid. And hopefully you can see on the bottom there is like area with crisscross markings, and that's where your fluid needs to be. So that's a level, which is the quantity, right? And what's about the quality? If you wipe it on the white rag or on your hand, you can see it's perfectly clear. It doesn't have any contamination. It's very slightly red or pinkish color. If you smell it, it doesn't smell bad, it's not burned. So this transmission fluid is in really good shape. We have enough of it and it's in the really good quality. It was pretty easy inspection, don't you think? I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it thumb up, please. And make sure always that you are subscribed. You don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.